now made it to...
oh, I didn't realise you were doing that.
I thought I'd update them on the peg.
Okay.
That is the current state of some of our pegs after Evie hammered them in.
Excuse me.
We got this view to wake up to. Cook us some pasta. Okay, disaster struck. The bike's been making a weird noise for a little while now from the engine hole, and I thought it might have been the valves or just weird French petrol, but it turns out the air, there's like a pipe that goes from the air box into the exhaust, and it's got like holes all in it. You can't really see, but it like ruptured there. But basically what I'm going to do is block up either end, because people do it anyway and they suggest it as a modification to the bike, so I'm just going to do it now to repair it. But my issue is I'm not sure why it broke. Okay, I've bodged up a little stopper out of the old tube, and she's sounding a lot more normal. Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
There's been a disaster in camp.
Ryan didn't listen to me.
We ran out of food.
Because Ryan didn't listen to me.
Because I decided there'd be food in the village.
Even though I told him, what if
they're shut? And they're
like
shut.
happened last time.
Like happened last time, because we ran out of food before. This is not the first time.
So Ryan's been an idiot, really.
So we're going to go and scrounge off someone with a GB number plate.
Well.
Sunglasses aren't holding up too good. Thankfully, brought some super glue. Glasses have been fixed. Apart from super glue stains, so I can't actually see out of them properly. No. We're now on the way out of the Alps, down to Nice. And we had to stop to get this beautiful view.
I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
What a beautiful lake! Man! It's like on the films where all the topless models are on the yacht. It's so beautiful.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, no, we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Come on! We're up in the mountains now. The air is thin. We might run out of oxygen. My nipples are extremely hard. We're in the mountains. Don't like the look of this. Oh. How close can we get? I'm so joking. We're going through a mountain. Woo! We are penetrating the mountain!
12 seconds later.
We've made it to the sunny south of France. We are in Nice, a campsite that Harvo from Two Wheel Review has recommended.
And I've got a very slight tan. You might have
Evie's got a tan on her boobies.
chest area.
On her chest.
And like slightly on my shoulders.
I was trying to think what happened today.
What did happen today?
Loads of stuff, mountains, crazy
Oh,
truck
yeah.
drivers,
Waterfalls.
waterfalls.
We met some nice bikers from England.
Oh yeah, that's what I was going to mention. We met some nice
Yeah.
bikers from England who were laughing at my bike.
They thought that Ryan was crazy.
They thought I was
to
cool.
go on a 125 all around from England. Well, the first
Crazy
time
or
he started
stupid?
talking to us, he was like, he like told his mates to come over and he was like,
Yeah.
he's come from England on a 125.
Come over from Wiltshire.
And they all came around and looked at all your like little adaptions.
Yeah. They like the seat.
Yeah.
But we've set up camp. The ground's pretty hard, but it's not quite. It's not quite.
Not quite like Leon.
Not quite Leon hard.
Yeah.
Leon. But yeah. Going to Nice tomorrow. Gonna swim in the swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Sea.
I was gonna say.
Treating ourselves to a quick manger on some chocolate, own brand chocolate, because we haven't eaten proper normal food apart from pasta and jam and bread for the last week. So we treated ourselves to some chocolate and own brand Pringles after a long 140-mile, 6-hour day of riding through the Alps. There's a guy in a bikini dancing around. Two guys in a bikini. Different bikinis, just to be clear. We're in Nice, spotting a Lotus that can't drive. It's pretty hot, and we're going to the beach. Just made it into Nice. It's pretty mental. I can't get my bike up to the parking because I don't want to leave it here because it's a bit long. So I nicked one of these from the fruit market, and I'm gonna try push it up. Like, if you put your foot, on the other end, like down at the bottom. Just, yeah. Nice. I should probably give that back to the market that I stole it from. We're at the beach, TV. There's a lot of boobies out.
Ryan's enjoying.
It's really good. That's why I got mirror glasses. They're a bit hit and miss though. None as good as yours. But the sea's really blue. It's really pretty.